Oh baby, look at what I got here today. We finally got ourselves a little meow. It's a Hellcat. Oh my god. Well, I named this project MeowCat because I think it sounds a lot cuter and more enjoyable than Hellcat. Even though the fender liner design on this car is hell. Dodge, get your shit together. Plastic rivets? What are we, in the 1970s? So, here's what we did. We did the Diode Dynamics RGBW DRL kit. We also did Profile Prism Demon Eyes. So check this out. Ooh, check that out. Them demon eyes is so cool. So check, like what? Full RGB control. This is via the Morimoto app. Yeah. Ooh, snap, son. What's real fun is I did that as a 2-channel. So they are controlled independently. Because it is a 3-channel controller, and all it is for demon eyes, so, what's real fun is I can do that one as a blue strobe. Let's do that sometime today. This is just my favorite thing ever. Yeah! Yeah, it's fully legal now. You just go driving down the road like this. That's cool. That's cool. Yo, I'm a Hellcat. Get out of the way, mama. What? Oh, shit! Alright, so you get the idea. We have full control over each individual one, and I can link them together and turn them on solid. Would you turn on solid already? There you go. See? Woo! Next, turn those off. We have the Diode Dynamics RGBW DRL kit, as previously discussed. And that, I'm really proud of the way that I got this wired up because it has a plug underneath the hood over, boop. There's 2 plugs, and if you swap the plugs, it goes from the current mode setup, which is a kind of like a running light. It turns on with the car, off with the car using the running light circuit. Or if you swap it, it goes into constant power mode, which is super dope, because then you can just basically turn it on and walk away from the car. Let me demonstrate. Yeah. So I have currently left this running light mode on white. Now what is great about that is that means that every time he starts his car, these will automatically turn on white as a running light mode. As you can see on the app, well, maybe you can't see on the app, it is on white. If I select a color, oh, you can see Project MeowCat. Okay. If I select a color, it will go to that color, as to be expected. But if I leave it on white, and as you power cycle the car, it'll just automatically turn on white. That's pretty cool. However, again, there's a plug set up under the hood that all you gotta do is swap the plugs and it turns into constant power. And then, as a client, you will be responsible turning it off when you leave the car and turning it back on when you get in the car. So a lot of people don't like that type of hassle. So to quickly demonstrate the full RGB capabilities of the DRL kit, I'll put that on the 7-color crossfade and just on the color cycle. And while I'm at it, because I'm feeling frisky, I'll go over to the Demon Eyes, turn them on, and put them on a 7-color crossfade as well. So as you can see here, the Demon Eyes are on a separate controller than the DRLs, so they go on their own separate little path. They seem a little washed out in the camera, so you can't tell too much, but in person you can definitely tell that they're doing their own song and dance, which is pretty cool. Now, of course, the big question is, can we hear the kitty purr? Well, alright, just don't tell Dino. I I don't think Kitty actually purrs. I think she just growls a lot. I think she's got anger management issues. I'm not really sure. I haven't really talked to her too much, but I will say I've been inside of her all afternoon, all evening, all morning, and it was a very pleasant experience. Other than that fender liner dodge, redesign that shit. I'd also like to point out just one more time that we've got the little kitty claw marks on the ground from the demon eyes, which I think is super adorable. Other than that, that's all I got to say on this. This is 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen. That's me. I'm the 13 in Superior Mobile ByThirteen. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a wonderful evening. This is Hellcat Extraordinaire Project MeowCat.